Hello everyone, and welcome back to another episode of Meg's How-To Videos, where today I'm going to show you how to make your very own butterfly net. To begin, you'll need a list of materials. First, a metal hanger, some tulle, tape, thread, a stick or rod, scissors, and a working sewing machine. To begin, roll out the tulle and cut a strip to roughly about 18 to 20 inches wide. Once you have it cut, if you have a long section like I do, fold it in half and then cut out a concave edge to both sides. Make sure that it's cut in half so you have two pieces. Next, you'll take it to the sewing machine. Make sure to leave a 2-inch gap at the edge and start sewing around the concave side. Once you get to the end, make sure you leave another 2-inch gap. Next, you'll take that 2-inch gap and you'll fold it over. Take it to the sewing machine and sew it together. And make sure to do this to both sides. Now you have a loop that you can twist and push the metal hanger through to hold the net together. Before you weave the metal hanger through the loop, you'll need to turn the net right side out. Once you have the metal hanger pushed through the net, you'll then want to attach it to the stick or rod. To do so, twist the excess metal hanger around the end of the stick, then apply some tape around the edges to hold it in place. Well, there you have it. Now you know how to make your very own butterfly net. If you enjoyed this video, please click on the like button below. That and subscribe to my channel to see more how-to videos. If this video helped you out, or you have an idea for another how-to video, please leave it in the comments below. But until next time, God bless and good luck!